how to edit Excel sheet in iPhone. So if you want to edit your Excel sheet in your iPhone, then what you need to do is first, you just need something to go and install the application, which is Excel or Sheets. For that, you need to open up your App Store. On your App Store, you need to go with search, which will be on the bottom, and then you can search for either Excel or Sheets and install the application. Tap on the application, tap on Get, which is right here, and enter your Apple password, and it will be installed. After installing, you can just simply click on it and then open up your Sheets. Make sure that you've logged into your account. After logging into your account, now if you want to edit your Excel sheet, then tap on the Excel sheet and it will load. Once it loads, now you just need to simply go and select the text where you would like to edit. Like for example, I want to change the age. Tap on it and then go with the pencil shaped icon, which will be on the right side, and then go and change the age. Then go with the tick, which will be on the right side, and it will be changed. Or if you want to go with any other edits, you need to just simply go with the pencil shaped icon and edit the text. We can also go with all the other options, like if you want to bold text or alignment or the text color as well. And if you want to insert something, you can go with the plus option, which will be on top right, and insert any links, comment, chart, image, and many more. Once done, you can go with the three dots, which will be in the top right, and then save, share, and export. That's how you can edit your Excel sheet in your iPhone. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button, and thanks for watching.